students. Hello students. Good afternoon everyone. Today we have come with a new topic. Our topic is direct and indirect speech. First thing is that what is the difference between direct and indirect speech? Direct speech means if a speaker says anything and be represent in speaker's word is known as direct speech. Second thing, indirect speech, if a speaker says anything and be represent in our words is known as indirect speech. One example is given to you. Ram says to Anurag, comma inverted comma, Arpit is a good student. So first one is, this one is direct speech. There are two parts in direct speech also. First one is reporting verb, means before comma inverted comma, this is known as reporting verb. Means we can say that Ram says to Anurag, this is reporting verb. In short form, we can write RV. In comma inverted comma, this is known as reported speech. In short form, I have written here RS. Now we will come on the rules. There are two rules in affirmative sentences. First rule is, if reporting verb is presenting in present tense means says or says to has given. What I am telling? Says or says to has given. And reported speech is any part of any tense. At this condition, changing into indirect speech, reported speech, no change in tense. It means that there will be no change in tense. Second, says to change into tells and says will not change, and comma inverted comma change into that. This is the first rule. So for example has been written there. Ram says to Anurag, comma inverted comma, Arpit is a good student. This is the example of present tense. You know very well reporting verb is in present tense. So what will be the indirect speech? We can change here according to rule. Ram says to change into tells Anurag, comma inverted comma, that. Now there will be no change in the tense of reported speech, means Arpit is a good student. This is the first rule. This is the first rule. If reporting verb is in present tense. Second rule I am going to tell you, very important rule. The rule is that if reporting verb is in past tense, remember what I am telling? If reporting verb is in past tense, what will we do? This is the rule for if reporting verb is in past tense. Remember what I am telling? If reporting verb is in past tense. Past tense means we can say that said or said to has given. And reported speech is any part of any tense, either in present, past or future. So, at this condition, what will be the rule? Remember, rule will be reported speech will change. Now the rule has been changed. Change in tense. How it will change? Listen, simple present. First one is simple present means S or ES will change into is, am, are. Second, present continuous means is, am, sorry for this, is, S or ES will change into second form of the verb. S or ES will change into second form of the verb. Is, am, are change into was verb. Remember, is, am, are change into was verb. Second, has, have means present perfect. Change into past perfect means had plus third form. Next one is present perfect continuous. We know very well what is the helping verb of present perfect tense. Present perfect tense means has been or have been. Has been or have been. Will change into had been. Next, simple past. This is very important. We always do the mistakes here. We always do the mistakes here. Remember, simple past change into had plus third form. Remember, simple past will change into had plus third form. This is the important rule that I want to tell. Second form will change into had plus third form. Had plus third form. Remember, next rule is, now we will talk about, sorry for disturbance, now we will talk about past continuous tense. We know very well, helping verb of past continuous tense means was verb change into had been. Was verb will change into had been. Next, past perfect. Remember, had will not change. No change. No change. Next, shall change into should. Will change into would. Can change into could. Said to will change into told. And comma inverted comma change into that. Comma inverted comma change into that. And said will not change. Remember, if in reported speech only said is given, there will be no change. So we will come on our topic. For example, for this rule is, Ram said to Mohan, listen, what will be the example? Ram said to Mohan, comma inverted comma, he went to Kanpur. He went to Kanpur. Ram said to Mohan, comma inverted comma, he went to Kanpur. Now reporting verb is in past tense. So what will be the indirect? Ram said to change into told. Mohan, comma inverted comma change into that. Now he went means second form change into had gone to Kanpur. This is the example for second rule. I know one question is coming in your mind. Sir, you have not changed he. But this is the another topic, changing in pronouns. So dear students, for today this is enough. I am telling again, we are going to revise the rule. Listen carefully. There were two rules in affirmative sentences. First one was, if reporting verb is presenting in present tense means says or says to has given, and reported speech is any part of any tense. At this condition, changing into indirect speech, there will be no change in tense of reported speech. Comma inverted comma change into that, says to change into tells, and says will not change. For example, Ram says to Mohan, comma inverted comma, Arpit is a good student. So we can write Ram tells Mohan that Arpit is a good student. Second one was, if reporting verb is in past tense and reported speech is any part of any tense, then there will be a change in the tense of reported speech. Simple present change into simple past, present continuous change into past continuous, present perfect change into past perfect, present perfect continuous change into past perfect continuous, simple past change into past perfect, past continuous change into past perfect continuous, past perfect will not change, shall change into should, will change into would, comma inverted comma change into that, said to will change into told, and said will not change. Example has written here, Ram said to Mohan, comma inverted comma, he went to Kanpur, means Ram told Mohan that he had gone to Kanpur. Now this is the time, I know, now one question is raising in your mind, sir, you have not told why you have not changed in he. This is pronoun, but we will discuss this topic tomorrow. Now this is your responsibility. Subscribe my channel and for more updates, and you will get every day mantra of English. Thank you. Have a nice day. Do your work. Take care of your health. Thank you everyone.